Hands lifted high in His holy name, divine favor flows, unending flame. Restored priesthood hands, guiding light across the lands. Faith in your heart, worthiness shows. Blessings like rivers, freely they flow. Comfort for the weary, healing through the night. Strength from the Spirit, shining bright. Flow of grace, lift me higher. Faith is a spark, the soul's fire. Blessings fall like rain from above. Flow of grace, wrapped in endless love. Temple lights, patriarchs speak. Power eternal for the humble and meek. Blessings fall in God's holy name. Faith opens the door, His favor remains. Priesthood ends, sacred and true. Endowments and sealings, life anew. Promises of heaven, guidance divine. Flow of His favor, forever mine. Comfort the broken, heal every pain. Light in the darkness, hope like rain. Flow of grace, lift me higher. Faith is the spark, the soul's fire. Blessings fall like rain from above. Flow of grace, wrapped in endless love. Temple lights, patriarchs speak. Power eternal for the humble and meek. Blessings fall in God's holy name. Faith opens the door, His favor remains. Call the elders, prayer of faith. Sick and sorrowed, He meets every place. Record the moment, let heaven see. Blessings flow eternally. Blessings fall like rain from above. Flow of grace, wrapped in endless love. Temple lights, patriarchs speak. Power eternal for the humble and meek. Blessings fall, bless holy name. Faith opens the door, His favor remains. Hands lifted high hearts open wide. Blessings of heaven forever abide.